mag-aano kami, mag-gymnastics. Tapos, kung gusto nyo rin mag-rate, rate nyo sa comments. Okay, first natin, handstand. So, ito muna, si Anyang. Okay, go! Ano, handstand. Ganyan. Wait, oh no! Saglit. Go. We got ulit. Done. Good? Okay. Next is Aya. Handstand? Yes. I think they didn't see that. Let please. Okay, if she did perfect, then perfect. So probably 3 rounds, handstand, the ballet thing, and splits. But I'm not gonna be in the splits. John. Oh, okay. Next, ada ba? Ulit. Okay, next. Ulit. Okay, that's good. Maybe next video, the ballerina cappuccino with the sit. Wait. And the example for the we don't have much time, so let's do this. Like that. Okay, bye guys. See you next video. Part 2.